Hi and welcome to Lavon's Kitchen. Today we are in the kitchen making something delicious. So I'm gonna get everything ready and guess what I need you to do? That's right, hit that subscribe button and I'll be back. We are cooking salmon croquettes today. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you, we have some pink salmon. We have 2 cans. And we have some garlic powder, some black pepper, some lemon pepper, some just regular salt, some onions, some flour, and I gotta go get 1 egg per can, so that will be 2 eggs. After I get my eggs, I'm gonna go and pour all of this juice out of here, okay? Okay, so I've poured all the juice out, but now I've gotta clean it, because you see all this black stuff right here? I don't like that in mine, so I'm gonna take all of that off. You're gonna see some bones in here. We're gonna take all, look at this, these bones. We're gonna take all of these bones out of here. So let's get that all nice and cleaned up, get all of that stuff out of there so that it's just plain old meat, okay? So I've got 1 can in here, and what I did, I took my fingers and went through it all, made sure there were no bones in there, pulled it all apart. Now I'm getting ready to do the 2nd can. Can you see this? It's like a spine, this bone. That's what I'm trying to get out of there. You see that? Take that out of there. See that? Take that out of there. So let's add our eggs. Oops. Then add our onions. Now we're gonna add our seasonings, our lemon pepper, our black pepper, our garlic powder, and some salt. Now, if you have lemon juice, you could put lemon juice in here as well. That's why I use lemon pepper. I didn't have any lemon juice. And now I'm gonna just mix this all up. So I have a skillet with my shortening heating up. Here's my flour. I'm gonna take 2/3 cup of flour and add to this and mix it up again. Now I'm gonna take a spoonful, place it in my hand, and make it into a patty. Take that patty and put it in our oil. We just finished making the rest of these into patties, okay? 4 patties in there. They are about 1/2 inch deep. I'm gonna let them cook for about 3 minutes on each side. Then I'm gonna put them on this paper towel to drain. So as you can see, it's getting brown around the edges. And our 3 minutes are up, so I'm gonna go ahead and start to flip these. See how nice and golden that is? Look at that. All right, those 2 cans yielded us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 patties. Here we go. I'm just adding a little green onion for garnish. And there we go. I made a little sauce using mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard to go with it.